following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a tornado warning for portions of Charleston County in southeastern South Carolina until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:21 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Kiowa Island, moving northwest at 25 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage: locations impacted include Johns Island, Hollywood, Seabrook Island, Kiowa Island, Magnet, Youngs Island, and Wadmalaw Island. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes from tropical storms or hurricanes can form and move very quickly. Take cover immediately. If you wait until you hear a tornado, it could be too late. Take action now to immediately protect yourself.
This emergency warning